That's the land of paradise, folks. Hey, I'm Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin here, and I'm here with Ariella, the Done For You girl. And we've done some incredible, remarkable things online. And guess what? Shh. I can't say anything because I'm in Thailand right now. And the reason why we flew out of here, because this young lady here is going to share something in the training below that no internet marketer would ever make public. And I can't say anything because I might get sued. Go ahead, Ariella.
I'll take care of that. Don't worry. So this is very serious. In fact, we can't even record this in the United States.
Can't.
We are in Phuket, Thailand, and I want to share something with you. What if you can do something fast? Like wake up, open up your account, and see money just pouring in from the sky. Well, what if I told you this is possible? Like I said, I am the Done For You girl, and I guarantee your first sale. I will do the work for you. Click the button below.